Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of x if we have x divided by x times of x is equals to x divided by 4, and we solve this problem for all the values of x. So here first we find all the roots of this equation, and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further, we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods, but if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards our first method, and in the first method here we cross multiply the terms. So when we cross multiply the terms, we get this is 4 times of x becomes 4x, and here we multiply this x times of x with x, it will becomes x is multiplied by 3 times. And further in the next step we have this is 4x is equals to, here we have x is multiplied by 3 times, it will becomes x cubed. And further in the next step here we need to move this 4x to the right hand side. It is positive term. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes negative, and we get x cubed is equals to minus 4x, and this whole equation is equals to 0. And now you see here both of these terms involve x, so that we will take common x from here, and when we take common x we get the remaining values are x square minus 4 is equals to 0. So further in the next step we need to divide this equation into the two cases. The first case is we write x is equals to 0, and the second case is we write x square minus 4 is equals to 0. So this is the our first root of the given equation, and now here in order to find the other roots we need to solve this quadratic equation. So here we move this minus 4 to the right hand side, and it will be written as x square is equals to 4. So here for the values of x we need to take a square root on both of the sides. So when you take square root on both of the sides it will be written as in this form. And now you see here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here x is equals to, here we know that the square root of 4 becomes 2, and when we apply a square root on both of the sides we will be right here plus minus sign any one of the side. Okay, so here we get these are the three roots of the given equation which we get here from this method. And now in the next steps we need to verify that which of these roots are solution and which of these roots are extraneous roots. So for this we need to copy down given question statement here, and it is x divided by x times of x is equals to x divided by 4. So here in this side we will be verify x is equals to 0, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to plus 2, and in this side we will be verify x is equals to minus 2. So here we verify the above three roots of the given equation. So when we put x is equals to 0 on both of the sides, it will be written as 0 divided by 0 times 0 equals to 0 divided by 4. So here this will becomes 0, our 0 form equals to 0 divided by 4 becomes 0. And now you focus into the left hand side, and you see here this is the usually called that it is the indeterminate form. Okay, so if this is indeterminate form, or in other words we just say that it is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, we finally conclude about x is equals to 0 is that x is equals to 0 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so this is the extraneous root, and further in the next step we need to verify the second value of x. So here we conclude that x is equal to 0 is not satisfied given equation, so it is the extraneous root. And now we verify the second value of x, and it is plus 2. So when we put 2 on both of the sides, it will become 2 divided by 2 multiplied by 2 equals 2 divided by 4. Here you see that this is 2 divided by 2 times 2 becomes 4 equals, this is 2 divided by 4, and you see here both of the sides are equal. It means that the value of x is equals to plus 2 is satisfied our given question statement. And now we verify third value of x, and here we have x is equals to minus 2. When we put minus 2 on both of the sides, it will becomes minus 2 divided by minus 2 times of minus 2 is equals to minus 2 divided by 4. Okay, so here we have this is minus 2 divided by, this is minus times minus becomes plus, and 2 times 2 becomes 4 equals to here we have minus 2 divided by 4. So you see that both of the sides are equal. It means that the third value of x is also satisfied our given question statement. So here we conclude about the solution set of the given question, and the solution set of the given question is that plus minus 2. Okay, plus minus 2 be the solution set of this question, which we get here from first method. And now here we again solve this problem for second method, and in second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that the given question statement is x divided by x times of x is equals to x divided by 4. This is the our given question statement. And here in the second method we just do some very short techniques in which you can easily get the roots of this equation. So here you focus on both of the sides, and you see that this x is cancelled out by this x, and we will get here 1 is divided by, this is x times of x becomes x square equals to, here we have 1 divided by 4. And now we again cross multiply the terms, and when we cross multiply the terms we get 4 is equals to x square. And here for the values of x we need to take square root on both of the sides, and you see here this 2 and this square root are gone, and we get here our x is equals to, this is 4, and we know that square root of 4 becomes 2, but here we apply square root on both of the sides, so that's why we write here plus minus sign. So in the second method we get only 2 roots of the given equation, that is plus minus 2, and in the first method we already verified that both of these 2 roots are satisfied our given question statement. So this is the our solution set which we get here from second method. This is the final answer, and thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.